Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to code your new injectors for your BMW, specifically the N54 engine. Previously this was kind of a deal because you needed BMW software to do this, but now we have ProTool by Bimmer Geeks, and this makes the process actually very easy. Anyone can do this at home. The only thing you need is an Android phone, and you're gonna need a DCAN cable, OBD to USB, and then USB to micro USB adapter. So the first thing you want to do is hook the cable up to the OBD port of the car. Then you want to put the port in the phone, obviously, wiggle around with it like that. Put the key in the ignition, and the first thing you want to do is give it one press, and we're ready to hook it up. Now I have ProTool on my home screen. I already opened the app just a minute ago. The first thing you're going to see is connect to the car. Now I'm using a USB cable, and I have a Generation 2 chassis. Press connect, allow it to do so, and then yeah, this is the home menu. Now first it says it's disconnected, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the module where we want to go, drivetrain. Going to give you the same thing again. Press connect, and it's going to try to establish a connection to the car. This will just take a second. There you go, the dials just go up and down. Connection established. Great. I'm going to press drivetrain, and injectors are part of the engine, obviously, so okay, and now we have a new menu. We're going to go to functions. Today we're going to go injector coding. And here you can see the flow numbers of the injectors. On these injectors there is a flow number. I'm going to put a picture in the video, and every injector has its own flow number. When you put new injectors in the car, you have to change these numbers, or the engine might not run correctly, or you can get fault or error codes. So in this menu you can already see injector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have this 6-digit number, and this number is actually the number that is on the injector. Now if we're going to press injector number 1, for example, you can see I can type in something, and I can type the flow number. Now I don't want to change this now, so I'm gonna just press cancel. But if you put in a number and press confirm, it will directly write it to the car. So it makes it very easy. If you have done all 60 injectors, you can just go out and you're done. There you go. Just very easy. You don't need a laptop, you don't need special BMW Dayton software, anything. You can just do it with a mobile phone. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests for videos, just leave a comment down below. And yeah, well, thanks.